Boy Abuta. Unang-una ho, maraming salamat, Manny, for bringing us here. Kami po ay kasalukuyan nasa Hong Kong. Anong lugar po ito?
We are in Quarry Bay. This is the asset publication, Asset Research and Limited.
Pero dito sa asset, meron ho sila ito parang isang lugar kung saan pwedeng mag-art exhibition.
Not really. My publisher has given me a home
For your works.
for my work.
Exclusive po ito para kay Manuel Rubio.
Exactly.
Galing. Pero dito po sa opisina, pagpasok niyo po ay napakagandang mga upuan. Lahat po ito yung mga obra ho ninyo.
Yeah.
Iikutin po natin at makikita ho natin ang iba't ibang mga obra po ni Mr. Rubio. Kayo ho ay galing sa pamilya ng mga artists.
I could say yes. Actually, my uncle, Mauro Malang.
The great Mauro Malang. Namamana ho ba ito?
I believe so.
Oo, no?
I believe so.
So bali po, ano ho eksakto yung relasyon? Ang iyong...
My lola
Okay.
and Malang's mother, her sister,
Okay. So gaano na kayo katagal dito sa Hong Kong?
I came here 1980.
80?
Yeah.
Wow! 45 years.
5 years, yes.
Anong una niyong trabaho dito sa Hong Kong?
From the start until now, it's a designer of the magazine.
Oh, ito po yung magazine, The Asset Magazine. Gaano kadalas lumalabas ito?
It's a monthly.
Monthly.
I do most of the pages layout, and some of my works
Are featured also here.
featured here.
But basically, Asset is a finance magazine?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Tingnan niyo po, ito yung mga magazines na iba-iba. Ganda ng iyong trabaho. You also take care of the covers.
But of course, I have illustrator in-house.
No, but that's also a testament that you're doing a great job. And how long have you been with The Asset?
The asset, I thought, when I first came here, in the first company I worked with, end up 8 years in that first company I worked with. I thought that's long.
Okay.
But the time that publication closed down, I lost my job, and for about 3 years, I did freelancing. But luckily, this company moved from Manila to Hong Kong.
Itong Asset.
The asset,
Okay.
That
So you
was-
joined The Asset anong taon?
year 2000.
Wow. So you've been with The Asset for 25 years. Akala mo yung 8 years.
Ala ko, yeah, yung 8
Matagal
years
na.
is long.
Kasama mo ang iyong pamilya dito?
Yeah, I do. All of them are here. Even my kids and grandkids.
Andito lahat sa Hong Kong. Ilang mga apo mo ngayon?
I have 4, but there's a coming one.
Okay, so magiging 5 na ang iyong apo. You have how many children?
I have 3.
3.
Yes.
Your wife is also based in Hong Kong?
Yeah, she's
So, talagang lahat na kayo dito. Pero balik lang ako sa mga paintings because you have a daily job. Maybe you do a lot of your paintings over the weekend.
over the weekend. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yung mga bumibili ng mga paintings mo, mga Pilipino, may mga Chinese.
Most of them are foreigner. One thing they're interested or interesting for them is my medium.
Right. Because it's different. 45 years is a long time, but you know.
It's more than half of my life
Right.
here.
But this has been home for you. Pero hindi ka pa rin nakakalimot ang kwento mo.
Oh yeah, back home is as long as
Gaano ka kadalas umuwi?
every year.
Every year. Pero maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagkukwento tungkol sa atin. Kasi ang mga obra mo ay kwento po ng buhay Pilipino. Hindi pa rin nawawala. Andun pa rin talaga. Ang amin lamang, Manny, maraming salamat. Unang-una sa pagtanggap sa amin dito. Pangalawa, sa lahat ng iyong ginagawa, pati na rin ang iyong pagiging design director dito sa The Asset. At ang lahat ng mga obra na ito na ating nakikita at mga obra pang darating ay bahagi ng iyong kwento. At ang iyong kwento ay kwento ng ating bayan. Kwento ng bawat Pilipino.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Salamat. Manny.